ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೀತು. ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ.
Okay, and any student from Karnataka, if they wish to move to Germany, what will you recommend them?
Same, sir. Indo-German. So you sorted everything out and you helped me in a very good way. So I got a university admission right now. So as you know,
Okay.
I'm applying also. You guys will help me with in every step, like documentation, document collections, uploading in the CSP portal, and yeah, I even mailing the CSP portal or German consulate regarding some if any issues comes. Everything you guys took care of it, so I didn't feel anything. But yeah, it's a very good experience with you.
So, Prajwal sir, very big congratulations for the German student visa, and especially you are moving to a German public university, free public university.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm very happy,
So,
sir. Yeah.
and how does it feel after getting your admission and a dream-free public university and getting the German student visa with you? How does it feel?
Yes, sir. I was trying like from 3 years. I was not getting any admission from any of the university. Take it as private or public. Later on, I thought like trying on my own is not gonna work. So I just contacted you guys, and you took me in, and you worked on me, my documents, and everything. So you sorted everything out, and you helped me in a very good way. So I got a university admission right now. So as you know,
Okay.
I'm applying also.
Okay. And you are from Karnataka, dear sir. We are located in Surat, Gujarat, two different
Yes.
parts of India. So,
Yeah. Yeah.
you did you visited us?
No, sir. Like I watched your ad on Instagram, and I watched even more reviews, even more ads from the Instagram, Google, and everything. So then I felt like, okay, Indo-German is a good thing. So I can approach them with my questions and my queries. So one day I approached you guys, and you counseled me. You answered me a lot of questions. So
Hmm.
yeah, then I thought like, okay, Indo-German is a good thing. I can go with it. Right now, I can
Uh,
see the result. Yeah.
okay, perfect. And what was the feeling after receiving admission from the German Public University?
It's a very good feeling. I was waiting to feel that way because, as you said, I'm waiting, like I'm applying from 2 years, rejection or not getting any reply from the university and all, and getting I think two offer letters from German Public University. Yeah, that's a very good feeling, sir. And that's very
Okay.
much thanks to you.
And Germany has a very lengthy process. So
Yeah,
when we did your visa file, we wrote entire your CV, SOP, covering letter, filling up the application form, making the account on CSP, booking up your visa appointment date, and guiding you for the visa interview date
yeah,
also. So
yeah.
what do you think? How was the visa procedure here at Indo-German Education?
Yeah, yeah. Like at first, I thought like visa application and everything is gonna be very easy. But when I get to know the process and application websites and all, I forgot everything. So, but you guys will help me with in every step, like documentation, document collections, uploading in the CSP portal, and even yeah, I even mailing the CSP portal or German consulate regarding some if any issues comes. Everything you guys took care of it, so I didn't feel anything. But yeah, it's a very good experience with you.
Okay. And what was the reaction on your face when you saw the German student visa stamped for the very first time?
Yeah, it's like I thought it's gonna take too much time, like 4 to 5 weeks and all, but it came in 2 weeks. But still, we don't have the confirmation until we open that envelope from the post. So I was very furious, nervous on that time. After seeing that visa stamp, I was very happy. Yeah.
Okay. And any student from Karnataka, if they wish to move to Germany, what will you recommend them?
Same, sir. Indo-German.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
still some of the people are looking, but they are not fully committed right now. When they fully committed, they will come to me or ask me like any directions or something. So sure, I'll let you know, guys.
also, what's your mother tongue?
Kannada.
Can you speak in Kannada? That how was your experience with Indo-German?
ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೀತು. ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. Yeah,
Thank you so much. So Prajwal, just fill up the form and we'll look forward to the next process. Okay. And thank
yeah,
you so
sure.
much. Means a lot for choosing me. Yep. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.